Alright, here we go again with another unboxing. This is on my last video. This was the other one. Let's see what's inside the box. Yeah, flight. You see it? Look inside. Box check. It's a little bit smaller because this is not for me. This is for the boss. Air Jordan 4 Retro. See what's inside the box. Smell check. We have paper. And we have the awesome shoe. Look at that. It's so nice. Oh wow. I wish they had this on my size. I'm crying now. It's so nice. Look. How marvelous is that? Back, thumb, toe, inner side, outer side, the air sole, bottom. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Like it. Like it a lot, but unfortunately, they don't have it on with my size here. Only have women's. Right. I'm gonna have an on feet after this. Nice.
O, diba? Super comfy siya. Lalo yung dito. Di ba may cushion siya dito? It's nice. And then compared to the other one na binili natin, anong size to? 5?
7 yan.
7Y?
No, 7. Women 7.
Women 7. Yung kinuha natin.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.